Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. It's been a while since I filmed one of these sit down videos in my room, so it feels really weird. But I'm back home right now. I've been back home for about 6 weeks just editing and getting the Sri Lanka content up for you. Today it is Monday and I'm actually leaving for my next trip tomorrow. I'm going away to Vienna from Tuesday to Thursday, but because of the way that the flight times work, I'm only kind of in Vienna for the Wednesday. I fly out tomorrow, but I don't land in Vienna until like 10:30, and then obviously I just go straight to my hostel. And then on the Thursday I fly out at like 8 AM as well, so I've kind of only got the Wednesday. I've just got one day to try and see as much of Vienna as possible. I don't know how much that's going to be possible, but I'm going to try my hardest to make it work. Never been to Austria before, so it's a new country for me, going completely myself. I'm really excited, and this is sort of the only time that I've done like proper solo travel. There'll be no one meeting me there, no one helping me. Like I did Thailand obviously solo, but I was put in a group chat with like other applicants from the agency and things like that, so I sort of knew people before I got there sort of thing. But this is just me one day in Austria by myself. So I thought that I would film a little packing video, because my other packing videos have been for more like long haul, longer flights and durations and things, whereas this is going to be short city break, hand luggage only. I'm going to be flying with Ryanair, which is pretty notorious for its strict baggage policies. So I'm taking one backpack and then it has to fit under the seat in front of me, and then that's it, so that I don't add any extra fees, because my flight was £40. I want to keep it £40, so I'm not adding anything else to my flight. So it's hand luggage only, backpack only. I feel like I've forgotten something. I've laid all my things out on the bed, I think, that I don't like need for the rest of today. And the only thing that I do think I need, before anyone comments it, is I need a little mini toothpaste, which I don't have, so I'm going to pick one up at the airport. This is the bag that I'm going to be taking. It is bigger than like my Cankins or anything, so it's just the Vans plain backpack, and it's quite squishy, so if I don't fill it I can squash it down, and I'm pretty sure this will be fine because it fit under the front seat. My pocket, only things I've got in here right now is a mask. I'm not sure the restrictions in Austria, so I thought I'll just pack one just in case, and I'll probably wear it on the plane anyway. And I've got my keys for when I come back home. Nothing is in this main pocket yet, so let's start packing. My first thing that I'm going to bring is just a plain pair of pajamas, and I like to wear like big baggy tees when I'm at home, but like I mentioned before, I'm staying in a hostel, so I kind of need to make sure that I'm a bit more like conservative. So I've just got shorts and a t-shirt, plain pair of pajamas. I'm going to pack that in the bag, and I'm going to be like rolling to make things as small as possible, obviously. Next thing I'm going to be taking is this hoodie. I don't know if I'm going to use it because apparently it's going to be like 26 degrees in Austria, but also raining like all the time, so I don't really know how that works. So I'm going to take my raincoat, which is what I'm going to wear tomorrow on the plane, but I can also wear this under the raincoat if I like need to save space or anything. Okay, what next? I'm going to be taking 2 pairs of pants and one bra that I'm just going to wear with me tomorrow. So I've got like my outfit laid out for tomorrow, which also includes jeans. So I'm going to wear the same pair of jeans throughout the 3 days technically of my trip, but one full day, and then just have different tops with me to wear so that it saves on packing space. I think jeans and a small top is a good like for all weathers sort of thing, so I think even though it's going to be 26 degrees, jeans will be fine, and I've just got a small top. I can take the hoodie off, I can take the jacket off, I'll be fine. So just stuff my 2 pairs of pants down there. Also 2 pairs of socks. The hostel that I'm going to, I think, rents towels, so I thought I'll just bring my microfiber towel because it can pack down so small, and then I don't have to pay money even though it's renting. It's just an extra faff, so I'm just going to bring this small towel for my one shower while I'm there, which is a bit annoying, but it's really small anyway, so I'm packing that. I've got this Scross Adapt to the World travel adapter, which basically has like every plug that you need. You can like change it on the side there, and it's also got 2 USB adapters. I just take this everywhere I go with me, so I'm packing that. Don't forget your adapters. The really boring bits, this pack of tissues, which is really old and is open at both ends but still handy, and this pack of wipes, which I bought in Thailand, and the only option was Minions wipes, so now I've got Minions baby wipes and tissues. I just always have them in my bag anyway. I'm going to pack my purse, but I don't think I will actually pack it yet, so I'm going to leave that to the side as well with my camera, my little thing that's got like my SD cards, my extra batteries in it there, and my passport. So that is going in a pile over there, along with my deodorant and my hairbrush, which I still need to use tomorrow morning. My deodorant doesn't count as liquids because it's like a cream twist up one, so that's really handy as well for hand luggage. I'm going to pack my little blindfold thing, just in case the hostel is really bright and everything. I don't struggle to sleep, but I always just think it's handy to have anyway. I've got a little purse with like nail clippers, nail file, extra pads, things like that, just like an extra like safety net purse thing. I'm also going to keep that with my purse. And then I've just got this little thing of Comfy blister plasters, 2 portable chargers, and my portable charger cable, which I can also use from the USB side, which is handy. I'm also going to be taking my normal charger, which is a 2-meter long lead, tomorrow morning. I don't know if you can see, I'm literally only halfway full already and I'm nearly finished, so this is so good. And then like I said, I'm going to be wearing jeans on the plane tomorrow. This is the only time in my life where I will justify wearing jeans on a plane. Normally you would never catch me dead wearing jeans on a plane, but this time I think it's necessary. So I've got a little black top with Marie from Aristocats on it, and then just a plain little white top, just keeping things plain and versatile, and then they all go together anyway. So 2 little tops for Wednesday and Thursday going in the bag. And then I've got my little liquids bag, which just barely shuts, which has got my hair oil, a little micellar water, my face SPF, my body SPF, brow gel, mascara, and then I've got a little lip balm, and I've got 3 little reusable ones, which has got some shampoo, some conditioner, and then some of my like hair products in mixed as well, which is really annoying because I'm literally only going to shower one time, but I wanted to bring my shampoo and my conditioner, and the bottles are quite big when I've literally got hardly any product in them. I can fit it all in, so it's okay. Because this is hand luggage only, I do need to take only 100ml or less liquids and make sure that they do fit in this bag, which I will be keeping at the top because I'll have to take it out through security. I feel like I'm missing something, but I also don't think I do. I'm only gone for like 1 day technically, so I don't even really know what else I would need. Go wear my trainers, obviously, pack my chargers and everything on the final day, and my hairbrush. So obviously took out some euros the other day, and then I also had 20 euros in this little coin purse from, I'm not even sure when, maybe when I went to Budapest. So I'm just going to empty those into here near the time, and then that's my currency sorted as well. And then I can also use my Monzo card when I'm out there and transfer money into my Monzo and take it out when I'm there at the ATM, and then it will just come out in euros, obviously. I think that is my bag mostly packed, and I don't know if you can tell how much space I have still like to go in here, so if I think of anything else I can just add it in. But I think that is me packed for Vienna, which is so exciting. I'm going to be vlogging this trip, but I think there will only be 1 video from Vienna because obviously I'm only going for like the 1 day. So I'm really excited though to show you around. I'm preparing myself to walk like 20,000 steps in a day, but it will be so beautiful. Can't wait to show you guys around a new country. And yeah, this is what I'm packing for a strict hand luggage only city break flight. I hope that you guys found this video helpful of how to like minimize things that you need. Like I'm only taking 1 pair of jeans and making sure that my deodorant is a solid so it doesn't have to go in the bag and things like that. Like just small tips that are really helpful when you need to minimize down on your baggage. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to watch my future content, and I'll be back next time with my Vienna vlog. Bye guys!